Today we're gonna do an oil change on a 2011 Ford Focus. It's a Focus, so focus on me. Smells good. Tastes good. Tastes like shit, actually. So, the customer came in, my friend here, Vlad. He gave us a filter and some, oil. What is it? 5W20. SAE. Full synthetic Valvoline. Alright, first thing you want to do is take off the cap, engine cap, the valve cover cap. Since we're in the shop, we got a lift, so we're going to lift it up. This is the oil pan. Yeah, it's pretty small. Back here is oil drain. This little thing, I think it's from that side, so I think it's a 13. Since this is an American car, it's a I think it's a 13. You don't want to strip it, it's aluminum, so be careful. Bring your little thingy to my bob, a little oil drainer thing. See, one question I got everybody when they do it at home, where do you guys usually take it? Like oil dispensary, O'Reilly or something. Throw it away in Walmart. What do you guys do with it? Walmart dumpsters, What do you guys do? There she goes. She's pretty black. And look, I didn't even get oil on my hands. That's how good I am. It's just dripping a little bit, so that's where I close it. Should be fine. Should. Hopefully. Finger tight, torque to spec. Alright, let's try it.
Okay, Mr. Professional.
My hand's starting to hurt. No lie.
So, I'm gonna break down the science for you. The reason why the oil stayed on the dipstick like that is because of the viscosity of the oil. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the oil's thick.
Viscosity. Say viscosity.
Viscosity. Wisconsin.
That's a funny word. Not the whole thing. This much?
Look at the side, the back of the bottle.
Wait, put it down on the flat surface. Right here.
This is how you check. Boom. Yeah, that's good.
Perfecto. It's like right here, a little above. I don't know if you guys can see it.
It's 2 dots.
But
Next, and that's how you do an oil change on a Ford Focus.
Now, the customer also said we need to throw in some plugs, some spark plugs. What are these? Iridiums, 4s. Yes, sir.
What company?
NGK?
NGK.
Good. Japanese. Best of the best on market. Yeah, I know.
What's exactly that? They're just 8 mils. They hold plugs in,
Coils.
coil plugs. They look pretty, except this one. It's a little wet.
What does that mean?
It might be a bad cylinder, but we'll see. We're gonna take that plug out right now. What do you think it is? Your guess is 16 or 14?
5/8.
16. Oh, yeah, we gotta say 5/8 because it's an American car, you know. Yeah, don't do this.
Ooh, your valve cover seal is gone, buddy. What you got to say about that?
It might be a bad cylinder. That one's good. Decent.
That's when my car was shaking, wasn't it? I hope that's it. Unless it's bad.
Some like junk is down there. Some rocks and stuff. Decent.
Scared to get to the oil one day.
Oh, decent. Not that bad.
Well, that one's gone.
Disappeared forever. It's like fishing, bro.
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh, caked in oil.
It's hot.
So, picking it up again, you know. I don't know where the oil is coming from. The top valve cover gasket or the bottom piston. So, I'm not really gonna try to diagnose this right now, since you know, it's just Vlad, you know. We're just gonna throw the new plugs in, and should be on its way. All right, last thing you need to do, just tighten down the coil plugs. That's it. And then just plug them in. All right, see if the car starts.
It's just gonna be wop, 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 wop.
No, actually, we'll see. We'll see. Up.
Today, we did some stuff. We made some stuff complete. We took some stuff off. We replaced some stuff. We did a lot of stuff.
Then we straight pipe stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we made it into a loud stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. But yeah, today we did a little maintenance on a Ford Fusion, or Ford Focus, my bad. And straight pipe the S10.
Yeah. Man. Get in there and just ping it.
Oh, she's ready to eat. She's hungry. She's very hungry. But yeah, like I was saying, we did a lot of stuff today. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, press the bell. We haven't said that yet. Press the bell. So when you click on it, click on you click the bell and then you click all the time or whatever it says. You know what I mean? So you get every video. You watch it. You know what I mean? You get the little notifications on your.
Yeah, we're gonna have more coming. More coming.
Oh yeah, definitely more. Salutations. Assalamu alaikum.
All right. Welcome back to the channel. West. I don't even know our name. Am I doing it the right way?
Nah, pull towards you. Jeez, this guy, you wrench on cars.
I know,
You don't
bro.
even know.
I don't know my lefty, righty, righty, tighty. You know what I mean?
Oh no, you push it.